Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best car shock absorbers of 2026, Best Vehicle Suspension Shock Absorbers. Whether you're replacing worn suspension components, restoring ride comfort, improving handling, or enhancing overall driving stability, a quality set of shock absorbers can make a significant difference in your vehicle's performance. The best shock absorbers are designed to reduce road vibrations, improve tire contact, enhance steering response, minimize body roll, and deliver a smoother, safer ride across highways, city streets, and rough roads. From daily commuters to family SUVs and light trucks, choosing the right shock absorbers helps maximize comfort, control, and suspension longevity. In this guide, we'll explore the best car shock absorbers available this year and explain what makes each one stand out. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get rolling. Starting off with the AliExpress car shock absorbers, these affordable replacement shocks are designed to restore ride quality while providing dependable suspension performance for everyday driving. Built using durable materials, they effectively absorb road impacts and reduce vibrations caused by potholes, uneven pavement, and rough terrain. Their precision-engineered internal damping system helps maintain consistent tire contact with the road, improving steering control and overall driving confidence. The corrosion-resistant construction supports long-term durability in a variety of weather conditions, while the direct-fit design simplifies installation for compatible vehicles. Drivers appreciate the noticeable improvement in ride comfort after replacing worn factory shocks, especially during daily commuting and highway travel. Whether you're refreshing an aging suspension or performing routine maintenance, the AliExpress car shock absorbers offer dependable performance at an affordable price. Next up is the A-Premium Rear Shock Absorber, a high-quality replacement designed to restore factory-level ride comfort and vehicle stability. Manufactured with precision-engineered components, this rear shock absorber helps reduce excessive bouncing, body movement, and road vibration while improving overall suspension performance. Its durable construction resists corrosion, heat, and long-term wear, making it suitable for both daily driving and extended highway use. The advanced damping system responds efficiently to changing road conditions, helping maintain better tire contact and improving braking and cornering stability. Installation is straightforward for compatible vehicles, making it an excellent option for both professional technicians and experienced DIY mechanics. Users frequently praise its solid construction, dependable fit, and smoother ride quality. Moving on, the PM Auto set of 4 front shock absorbers provides a complete suspension upgrade for drivers looking to restore balanced handling and ride comfort across their vehicle. Replacing multiple worn shock absorbers at the same time helps ensure consistent suspension performance, better steering response, and improved overall vehicle stability. These shocks are designed with durable internal components that effectively absorb bumps, reduce vibration, and maintain smooth wheel movement over uneven roads. The heavy-duty construction helps resist premature wear while providing reliable long-term operation under a variety of driving conditions. Direct-fit compatibility simplifies installation, making them suitable for many popular vehicle models. Users appreciate the improved ride quality, balanced suspension feel, and cost-effective complete replacement package. For drivers seeking a comprehensive suspension refresh, the PM Auto set of 4 front shock absorbers offers outstanding value. The Correspond car shock absorbers are engineered to provide dependable ride control while improving comfort and handling during everyday driving. Featuring durable steel construction and precision damping technology, these shock absorbers effectively reduce body roll, absorb road imperfections, and improve overall vehicle stability. Their responsive internal valving helps maintain consistent suspension performance, whether driving through city traffic, cruising on highways, or traveling over rough roads. Corrosion-resistant finishes enhance durability in challenging weather conditions, while the direct replacement design allows for easier installation on compatible vehicles. Drivers often notice reduced bouncing, improved cornering stability, and smoother overall ride quality after installation. Finally, the ECCPP Shocks Absorber earns the top spot as our favorite vehicle suspension upgrade for 2026 thanks to its outstanding combination of durability, ride comfort, handling performance, and overall value. Designed as a high-quality direct replacement, these shock absorbers help restore factory suspension performance by by effectively controlling wheel movement and minimizing excessive bouncing over rough road surfaces. Their advanced damping technology absorbs road impacts while maintaining optimal tire contact, improving steering precision, braking stability, and overall vehicle control. Manufactured using premium materials, the shocks resist corrosion, wear, and continuous exposure to demanding driving conditions, helping ensure long service life. The precision-engineered design also helps reduce suspension noise while delivering a smoother and more comfortable ride for both drivers and passengers. Installation is straightforward for compatible vehicles, making them a practical solution for routine suspension maintenance or complete suspension restoration. All of these car shock absorbers offer excellent advantages depending on your vehicle and driving needs. The AliExpress car shock absorbers provide dependable everyday performance at an affordable price. The A Premium Rear Shock Absorber delivers reliable rear suspension control and long-lasting durability. The PM Auto set of 4 front shock absorbers offers a complete suspension refresh for balanced handling. The Pro car shock absorbers combine ride comfort with dependable road control, while the ECCPP shocks absorber stands out as the best overall choice thanks to its premium construction, excellent damping performance, superior ride quality, and long-term reliability. When choosing new shock absorbers, it's important to consider vehicle compatibility, suspension type, damping performance, build quality, corrosion resistance, installation ease, ride comfort, handling improvement, durability, and overall value. Replacing worn shocks at the right time can improve driving safety, extend tire life, reduce suspension wear, and restore your vehicle's original ride quality. That wraps up our top 5 best car shock absorbers of 2026, best vehicle suspension shock absorbers. Whether you're upgrading your suspension, restoring ride comfort, or replacing worn factory components, there's a dependable option on this list for your vehicle. Let us know in the comments which shock absorber you'd choose, or if you've already installed one of these models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy a smoother, safer, and more comfortable drive on every journey.